Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to show or hide a file name extension on a Mac. As you see here, this is a text file, and as you see here, it is titled untitled .rtf. RTF this is the file extension on a Mac. RTL means right to left. Okay, how to hide the file name extension? It's simple. Just click on, make sure you are selecting the desktop. In order to see Finder, click on it and select Settings. A new window will pop up, and here uncheck this box next to Show all file name extensions. As you see, when I uncheck this box, my text file hide the file extension which was .rtf. If I check it again, it shows up. And this is how to show or hide file name extensions on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.